That guy right there, Troy Lee, now has control of his company back. Obviously, for the past few years, it's been associated to the Troy Lee Red Bull Gas team. But as of yesterday, as I'm reading this, they have bought it back with the CEO, John Eric Brolston, saying, quote, over the past 9 months, with the invaluable support of Two Ride, we have built a robust platform. As an independent company, we are now equipped to grow and unlock the full potential of the premium brand that Troy Lee Designs is destined to be. Now, there's been some rumors that Troy Lee Designs and Gas are done, so who knows about that? If it's going to be, there's also what I've read and or seen that's going to go with Triumph, but or maybe Ducati. Who knows? If it's going to even be a title sponsor, we'll wait to see. But it's kind of neat. You got to say for him to, if your name's on something, it's kind of weird to not own it. So to go back and at least now be owner with some backing, let's put it that way, as far as I'm reading it, it's gonna be good. Troy himself said, quote, I'm incredibly passionate about our brand and our future. With strong leadership and dedicated partners, I'm stoked for what's ahead. Peace and wheelies. So who knows? I mean, this is good. It's one of the biggest or one of the most well-known brands, I guess you could say, in both dirt biking and also in like mountain bike. So for him to be at least the owner with some backing again, it's kind of neat. But I don't know. Comment down below. You guys tell me. Do you think he's gonna stick with Gas? Is it done? Being the sponsor that it is, or is it gonna go Triumph, Ducati, whatever? If you know something that I don't, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.